Aquarius. Namaste. Welcome to the Purple Insights. Here I upload videos related to tarot and oracle card readings. Also, occasionally, guys, I will post videos on other topics related to occult. So, our today's video is about what's coming for you in this month of October 2020. Now, using the tarot and oracle cards, I intend to provide you with some insights regarding your relationship, your career, and finance for this month. Also, guys, I will try to tell you about any advice your spirit guides or your guardian angels may have for you for this month. Okay? So, at the end, I hope this reading serves as a guidance for you and in certain cases may act as a warning to let you not commit any action that you might regret later. Also, let me tell you guys, this is a very general reading. It will resonate with most of you but may not with everyone. Now, that doesn't mean the reading is wrong. It's just that it wasn't meant for you. So please keep what resonated with you and leave the rest. Now, that was the introduction, guys, and now let's start with your reading. So, the first card is the Star, second is Page of Wands, and the third tarot is Lovers in Reverse. Then the next card is Full Moon Eclipse, Children, Listen Only to Love, and the last card is Dharna in Reverse. So, guys, the star in context to your relationship indicates for those who are single, your bachelor life is coming to an end soon. Also, some of you who might be going through a phase of post breakup, guys, you may feel you have moved on and now you are ready again to meet people. Okay. Also, for those in a relationship since long, you may feel it's time to take the relation to the next level. So, either you will or expect your partner to pop the question. Well, guys, good luck with that. And also for married couples whose relationship has been going through a rough phase lately, this card assures you that everything is going to be fine soon. So, as a couple, you should decide to spend more time with each other, doing things together, like maybe picking up on a new hobby together, doing yoga together. So, you must try to do things you haven't done together yet and just notice the spark arising again in your relationship. All right. Then, this Page of Wands in regards to your career suggests those of you who might have applied for a job or attended an interview lately and are awaiting results, expect good news arriving soon. Okay. And those already in a job, chances are you may get promoted this month, or it can be that you may receive the news of getting promoted. Also, for some of you who earlier might have thought of using your passion as a career, Page of Wands indicates you to go ahead, guys. Just try it. Okay. Then some of you may have to travel this month also to new places with respect to your work. Also, those of you who might have some business ideas in mind, guys, give a thought of implementing it this month. Okay. So, the third tarot, Lovers in Reverse, in context to your money, suggests your finances are out of control right now. You may not be thinking before making big purchases, and after you may realize how irresponsible you have been. Also, guys, for some of you, it can be that in order to impress your lover, you may have spent a huge amount without realizing how it will affect your expenses for the rest of the month. See, buying romantic gifts is good, but check your pocket before deciding to buy an expensive item. So, also, the card suggests for some of you, you may be paying a lot of attention to your love life and ignoring or paying little attention towards understanding the situation of your finances. See, guys, money cannot buy love is true, but it's also true that love cannot satiate hunger. So, you need money for that. Hence, find out ways how you can balance both in order to live an abundant life. Okay? The next card, full moon eclipse, says conclusions are within reach. Okay, so for some of you, the card is clearly suggesting to let go of any emotions or attachments that are no longer serving you guys. And please take a moment to decide whom you need to forgive and what you need to get away from. See, eclipses don't happen often, and an eclipse in a full moon is rare. So, the situation you might be in must be rare as well. But it needs you to come to a conclusion. So, decide what you need to do and embrace the change that may come henceforth. See, this card has showed up clearly with an intention to let you know that there is something in your life that's demanding a closure. So, see to it, guys, what can be done. Okay. Then the next card, children, says know that your children are protected. Okay, so it's obvious when two persons get married and when they become parents, all their focuses and responsibility shifts towards their children. All right. So every parents wants their children to be safe and protected. But sometimes matters can get out of their hands and they cannot do anything about it. Like they may have to rely upon a doctor who is treating their child, or maybe their child is under severe trauma due to some incident and the parents are failing to reach out. So in cases like that or alike, this card has showed up as an assurance, guys, that even if your hands are tied and you aren't able to help your children, rest assured they are being taken care of. And by whom? Angels and God. Okay. Also, guys, I really feel very sorry to say this, but those children who might have recently lost their lives and their parents are concerned about their soul, guys, this card is a sign that those beautiful souls are with God and are protected under the wings of angels. Okay, so as much as you miss them, be happy that they are happy. Okay. Then the next card, listen only to love, says that don't allow fear to distract you from your divine mission. Okay, so some of you might have started some kind of a new project or maybe thinking of starting one, but you might be getting criticized for it. See, people might be denying a helping hand to you. So in that case, guys, don't get disheartened, as this card has showed up as an advice that you must focus on what you want to do, ignore the critics. Okay. But sometimes even the critics come up with best ideas and suggestions. So if you think some of it is worth it, then please do not hesitate to apply to whatever project you are working on. Okay. So guys, keep any fear at bay and focus on your work with determination. All right. Then the last card, Dharna in reverse, suggests some of you might be so engrossed in their work that you guys might have started to ignore whatever else is around you. Now, this card has showed up to remind you guys that life is not all just about working and get paid. Okay, you must take your time off from work and look around what else life has to offer you. I'm sure your family and friends are waiting desperately for you to spend some time with them. So, being a workaholic at the cost of ignoring the best things life has to offer isn't a smart is not a smart move, guys. Okay. So now that was your reading, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if that resonated with you. Also like and share this video, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss my future uploads. You guys can comment as well, and I will see you in my other videos. Till then, take care. Bye.